Hello, viewers. In this special class, what we're looking at here is how to resolve a word problem leading to linear equations. First, how do you resolve a word problem leading to linear equations? First of all, you should understand that in these situations, you know, mathematical equations are put in form of sentences. So we have to translate such sentences into equations. First, by understanding the uh, question correctly. So when dealing with word problem, the first thing you must do is that since what you are looking for, the unknown, you have to represent it with any alphabet of your choice. Okay. Well, here the question says that the sum of three consecutive numbers is 96. Find the positive difference between the largest and the least. Now, what do you mean by consecutive numbers? So number that follow each other. So their difference is just one. So if the first number, let's assume one, the next one here will be two, the next one here three. Okay. So to resolve question of this approach is quite unique and it make your work easy. Now remember, assuming this is the first number here, okay, it's one. Okay, remember this two here, we can also write it as one plus one. Then three here, we can also write three as one plus what? 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Now, in a situation like what you need to do is that let's assume the first number there is n. It means that the second number will be what? N plus 1. The third number will be what? N plus 2 because it's just a three consecutive, just 3. So this is the first thing you must do. When you hear the word sum of three consecutive numbers, that means they follow each other. Okay. So their common difference is just 1. Now, since they are 3 years old, then you understand that sum means addition. So this will be n in one bracket plus n plus 1, another bracket plus n plus what? Plus 2, another bracket. And is equals to 96. Equals to 96. So all we need to do here, we have to add here 1. This is n. I mean n 1, 2, 3. That gives n plus n plus n. Then plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 96. So I mean n 1, 2, 3. So that gives 3n. Okay, so how many n's are here? 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Equals to 96. This now you are able to put it in a very simple mathematical equations. So what you see, you should understand that the word x in mathematics here represent equal to. So here we collect like this. See, collect like uh like this. So here will be 3n. So collect the like this means this one we have to move this way. This is positive as it's going to the right hand side become I guess 96 minus 3. So 3n equals to 93. So how do we obtain the number n there divide both side by 3? So you could see that n will give 31. So that this is 31. So the next number will be what? N plus 1. That gives 32. The next number will be what? 33. So that's not just the question. The question says we should find the positive difference between the largest and the least. So this is the largest. The largest of them is what? This is the least number of them. Least, the least among them is this. So the positive difference will be 33 minus 31, and that gives what? 2. So the positive difference is what? Is equal to. Is how to resolve the word problem. So linear equations. If you like this video, comment, watch, share, and also follow my page. See you in my next class.